Hello everybody, welcome to your channel. Listen this message. Will you read that your life forever? I believe in the power of words. Many people speak before they think, but I know the power of words. The words can make you, break you. They can heal your soul. They can demand your forever. So, I always try to use positive words in my life. Wherever I go, they call it adversity. I call it opportunity. They call it weakness. I call it strength. They call me disabled. I call myself differently abled. They see my disability. I see my ability. There are some instances that happen in your life, and those instances are accidents so strong that they may change your DNA, that they break your physically, but they form your body, but they transform your soul. It finished that message. So somebody want to know in Kinyarwanda, will write it in comment. I will make it. Okay, thanks. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more reason all the words that help you to grow your life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share that message. I'm here for you. I'm here for you forever. Okay. Nice. I want to focus this message. Listen. So, I will come back to another video. Thanks. God bless you. Everybody watch it. Everybody watch it. This message, this video. Okay, thanks.